Okay, if you're watching this, it's clearly after Christmas because you've already received this. But I wanted to document the construction and assembly process because I don't know, maybe you think it's funny. So this is my clean workspace. It's very organized and in order. We're doing the last part right there. You can see I did blue because if you were green you would die. There's these holes, and then I have these heat set inserts. So I've got I have to press these in with like a soldering iron so they like kind of melt in. But none of the screws I have are metric, and I only have metric heat set inserts. So this is the one metric screw I have, and I tested it to make sure it fits the holes. So I'm gonna go to Value Home Center, and I have to buy screws. Oh God. So yeah, let's do that. Focus. $9 in screws. That's robbery. Ching. Oh my God, focus. Focus. There you go. Now we will have to heat set some inserts. That was pretty good. Now I gotta do like 8 more. Okay, got all the bars done. Both sides. Now it's time to begin the assembly process. So I was getting kind of worried that these screws weren't fitting in the recessed holes. But if you just shove it in with a screwdriver. Oh my God, focus. Focus. There you go. If you just shove it in with a screwdriver, it sticks through enough, I think. Fingers crossed. Okay. This is difficult. So I realized I made this for an ATX board and not an MATX board, and I think I have an MATX board. So we're gonna have to improvise because this, yeah. So I'm printing like a plate, an adapter for the cooler. This is carbon fiber. It's pretty cool. It's pretty strong. It won't break on you. This print obviously failed, and it split in two. But yeah, so we're trying that again with some glue because it lifted. Yeah, I'm in a caffeine-fueled manic episode right now because the motherboard doesn't fit the case, and I'm trying to figure out how to do this. So I gotta do like standoffs. I'm gonna melt them into the plastic to make the motherboard fit the holes, but I need the back plate for the cooler to be on first so I can size it. Okay, after much deliberation, 1, 2, 3, and 4 all line up with the motherboard, and I'm gonna melt another one right there. And that adapter plate is still printing for the cooler. So I'm gonna sink some heat sets as soon as the soldering iron warms up. Right here. Okay, a lot has happened. We got her on the stand, power supply, graphics card, RAM. So power switch, So there's no button. You gotta just jump the power button pins right here. Just touch them with a screwdriver. There you go. Oh, I gotta hook up a display. Hold on. Okay, got a monitor hooked up. Let's touch the button again. Oh, I turned the switch off. Here we go. Give me monitor. Oh. Hey! Now we're gonna install Windows. F11. F11 for the boot menu. Ah, that's the one. Oh, it doesn't see the USB device. Why? Weird. We got it. I just had to restart. So now we can boot into USB. Oh. Yeah, look. The circle. That's a good circle. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go do this. I had to do some funky bypassing, some whatnots, and what hizzles, but we got her installing. Get that going. I'm pretty pumped, dude. I am pumped. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure everything's all updated for you as well. But we got her on. I'll throw a web browser on there for you, and I'll send you off to the races. We're gonna disassemble this, obviously, for delivery. Otherwise, it's all gonna break. So I'll help you with that. All right, we got an update. I'm installing 3D Mark, so I can benchmark this thing. Yeah, I don't know. I added a hard drive. This is important. Right there. 1 terabyte for your games and whatnot. So I'm printing these cool box cutters. They're like karambits from Counter-Strike. Look. Focus. Isn't that cool? For opening Christmas presents. Alright, oh, let me pause this. That's about it. I activated Windows for you. Active. So I got you Windows 11 Pro. I ran a benchmark. Runs good. It's gonna be a good 1080p Ultra machine. There she is, man. I hope you like it. Merry Christmas from your weird brother. That's me. I like making computers, and I like doing it. It's my favorite. I like to do it.